I have the Samsung Galaxy A14, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to answer and end calls using physical buttons. Okay, so by default, everything regarding answering and ending calls is on the touch screen, but sometimes that might be inconvenient, especially if you're wearing gloves all the time and your gloves are not able to operate the phone using the touch screen. So you can actually set the volume up button to receive calls and set the side key to end phone calls. So to do that, simply go to the phone app and make sure the keypad is selected, and you can see the keypad on your screen, and then tap on the three dots in the top right corner. So just tap on those, and once you tap on those, select settings. Under settings, go to answering and ending calls, tap on that, and then set press volume up to answer calls, enable that, and also press side key to end calls, go ahead and enable that as well. Now once you do that, it means you can now use these physical buttons to answer and end phone calls. So let's give it a try. Let's make a phone call. Now, first of all, I can use the volume down to silence that incoming call by default. And then now to answer this call, I can simply press the volume up button. That receives the call. And when I'm done talking, I can press the side key, and that's going to end that phone call. And I can press it again to lock my phone. Simple as that. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.